Get to the database by going to the library's website and selecting Databases under the search box. Click on the All Subjects drop-down menu and scroll down to select Controversial Issues and Opposing Viewpoints in Context. From the home page, enter search terms in the search box or go to the Browse Issues section to find an area of interest. If you want to get more familiar with your topic, this summary can be expanded and it will give you a good overview of the topic. Just below the summary, you will see Viewpoints. This is a great place to explore the pro and con positions. Here you will see a box titled Academic Journals. This is a helpful place to go if you are required to have scholarly material within your sources. Once you have found an article that you are interested in, there are multiple ways to save this outside of the database. You can send it to Google Drive or email it to yourself. There is also a citation tool available. Please be aware that these citations are not always correct, so be sure to double-check a citation guide. Other available sources include interviews with full transcripts, videos, statistics, and more sources from various mediums such as newspapers and magazines. If you have any questions about this or other databases, don't hesitate to contact a librarian. Thank you for watching.